Welcome to the Gold Daily Forecast. Today is Monday, 27th October, and we are going to analyze the gold price action. Okay, today is the first day of the new week, and you can see the price is still consolidating between the two sell and buy zones. Okay, in the daily chart, you can see today is the fourth consecutive day the price is consolidating, and I am hoping we can find another drop down around that buy zone, because after this kind of bearish candle, we can expect this type of consolidation. The market needs to collect some liquidity before moving further up or down. Okay. If you watch my yesterday's weekly forecast, I mentioned clearly what we can expect this week. In the weekly chart, you can see the price has broken that channel, and we were talking about what we can expect around this area. Okay. So I am going to analyze today's market, and you can see the price is still around the 20 EMA in the daily chart. In the 4-hour chart, you can see the price is in between the 100 EMA and 50 EMA, and you can see the price moving just below. Also, this morning there was a little bit of gap between last week's closing price and today's opening price. You can see that was the closing price and the start price is just below it. But when you go to the 1-hour chart, you can see the price has some gap, which normally will close later. Okay. So I'm hoping the price will go a little bit upward before going down, because it needs to collect some liquidity before moving further down. Therefore, I'm expecting some upward movement before a further drop. As I mentioned last Friday, the 100 EMA in the 1-hour chart is very important. You can see after touching the 100 EMA in the 1-hour chart, the price rapidly went upward, and we can expect the same scenario if the price touches the 100 EMA again when moving further. But last Friday, it came very close to the 100 EMA, but it didn't touch. After that, the price went very low and became very bearish. Okay. Also, there are some buy zones available within that big buy zone area. I am hoping to refine those areas today with our setup configurations. Okay. First of all, I am going to the 4-hour chart to check whether we have new support and resistance lines to draw. I am not interested in changing this resistance line because you can see the price has touched it several times and we can't see any breakout of this line. Also, in the support area, instead of the previous support, there is now a new support area just above that line. Therefore, I would like to move it up to the 4065 area. Okay, this is our new support. And the price is currently at that point. I think the price could go upward. Okay, these are the two support and resistance lines where the price is currently touching. And you can also see we have dynamic lines. These are changing with the price. These are EMA lines. Okay. Now I'm going to draw new buying and selling zones. You can see we have 3 sell zones and 2 buy zones. But I'm not going to delete all the zones. I will delete just 2 zones that are currently touching the price. Okay. First of all, I would like to draw the buying zone related to this upward movement. You can see after the price came to that area, it went upward. Therefore, I would like to draw a new buy zone in that area. Okay, this is our new buy zone. Also, I would like to draw another zone and refine that in the 1-hour chart, because that is not a good small buy zone area. In this kind of consolidation, traders need to enter the market to take some profits. If you want to take small profits, these are not big buy zones. Therefore, these have low probability. So you must stick with stop losses and money management. But there are some good rapid movements you can see in the 4-hour chart. Okay. After that, I am going to draw our sell zone. You can see the price dropped twice after coming to that sell area. Also, I would like to slightly encourage the area parallel to the top of the wick, because sometimes price could go upward to collect liquidity above those wicks. Okay. This is a good sell zone because you can see the 20 and 50 EMA lines of the 4-hour chart are also within that area. This is our sell zone. Okay. Now we have 3 sell zones, 2 buy zones and 1 main sell zone. These are very close to each other. I draw that because sometimes price goes further up after hitting that area, as the price is very consolidated. There is no strong force in any direction. Okay, these are the areas we have to look forward to. Now I'm going to the 1 hour chart to make some adjustments if needed. But I can't see any big changes required. Yes, I would like to reduce that wick area a little. Okay, it's already touched. If you want to enter the market, you need good confirmations to enter with that zone, because I drew it as a buy zone and this is a big upward moment. I'm hoping the price will go up to this sell area to collect liquidity. Normally, if you see an uptrend or downtrend, we don't enter the market in these small buy or sell zones. But because of this consolidation phase, we can enter since we can't see any strong directional force in the market. Also, I would like to keep that area a little further down, matching it with this wick. Okay, these are the two adjustments I would like to do on the 1 hour chart. Now I'm going to draw the best possible setups according to today's market. First of all, I would like to draw the setup where the price is now touching that buy zone. If the price moves upward with a bullish 1 hour candle, you can enter the market in the 15-minute fair value gap with a 15-minute bullish candle. Okay, then you can take your first profit at that point. This is a small buy and I'm hoping the price will go further up towards the EMA lines, the 100 and 150 EMA lines. Okay, if the price goes that far, then we have a good chance to enter the market as a buyer, but this is the first buy setup for me. After that, when the price moves upward, you can enter with the end of a bearish 1 hour candle and then you can find the fair value gap. If the price comes down to that level in the 15-minute chart, you can enter the market as a seller. Sometimes the price could move further down to the lower buy zone or it could end up around the bottom buy zone because we can see a very strong buy zone around that area in the daily chart. Okay, this is our second buy sell setup. Also, if the price goes further up, we don't know how much it can go. If it goes further up, then you can enter as a buyer after retesting that sell zone, enter the market after seeing a 1 hour bullish candle and check the fair value gap to enter. This will be your first take profit. Okay, these are the 3 setups we can expect. Also, you can enter the market within that buy zone too. If you don't get any confirmations to enter the market, sometimes the price could move upward and after hitting the 20 EMA, go downward again. Okay, that is the danger of this buy zone because it is very close to the EMA lines and buying is very risky in this kind of setup because you can see all the EMA lines are in ascending order. These kinds of setups are not good for buying, especially on the 1 hour chart. That's why I always prefer to look for selling setups instead of buying in this area. Okay. That is a very good setup for selling instead of buying. If you're looking to enter the market, I think it's best to wait until the price comes down because we don't know how the price will react around that area. This is a very equilibrium area and we can't predict the price. You can see the price came down there. Then after hitting the 20 EMA, it went up. Now it's going upward again. Therefore, the price could hit your stop losses. This is a very unpredictable area for me. And that may change soon. Therefore, if you can be a little patient, you can find a good setup to enter the market. For me, today's best setup is that sell setup. If the price moves upward and collects liquidity above the 100 and 150 EMA, then you can enter the market with good confirmations. Okay. Also, after that, you can keep your buy order below that buy zone. That is the best buy zone for me. You can hold long term after the price comes down there. These are the 2 zones that I am looking to enter the market. Some people are asking me to provide some small setups to enter the market because in the last couple of days, we didn't find any strong trends. The market was consolidating, so we can easily enter the market with small buy or sell zones. Anyway, these are the things that we can learn from today's forecast video. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you think these are important for you, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Thank you very much for today and see you tomorrow.